Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the cryptocurrencies. So in general, our target that we have set in intraday charts has been met, and on the lower time frame, we think that you could consider taking the tactical short-term bearish position for aiming on the pullback. And here on the weekly chart, you could see that market actually is calling around the upper border of the flag. That suggests some fluctuations inside of the flag, so indeed some pullback might happen. Meantime, although this pattern looks like, well, in general, has the features of the bearish pattern, because we know that the flag actually usually downside continuation pattern. But with the changing fundamental background, we are not excluding the chance that market could try to break it up, and in a medium-term perspective of the 6-9 month maybe, we see no surprising action if market retest 30 even and previous lows, or even could try to reach the 36-37 conference resistance. This theoretically could happen, but to make the bet, to take the position with this performance, we need something more valuable, more reliable context on the lower time frame, some clear bullish pattern, some significant action, something like the thrusting action, something of this kind. That we currently do not have yet. So from that standpoint, we're still keep watching what will happen. In a shorter term, on the daily chart, take a look. Market retesting the lows, reaching first resistance area, and stands very close to the confluence. Potentially today we could get the bearish reversal candle. Take a look that market has created the new top, and now the closing price stands below the lows of the previous bar. So if market remains here or even moves slightly lower, this will be a reversal bar and it's potentially bearish, and usually it has the future to be continued on the next session or maybe even longer with the downward action. So that's what we have on the daily. On the lower time frame, 4-hour time frame chart, here you can see XOP almost and mostly, we could say, has been hit. At least the first XOP, major XOP of this ABCD pattern initial has been reached. Market is forming kind of the reversal, and take a look, butterfly also has been completed. It's 127. We do not see very thrusting action to the 127 target. That's why chances that market could proceed high to the 1618 are not very significant. So if even this will happen, 1618 stands approximately around 2635, 26 even. And if you on a daily chart you place stop above 2635 above the confluence, even moving to the next minor XOP here will not be some significant. So if you have the bearish view or considering taking the short position, you could keep an eye on this scenario using the butterfly for position taking, placing stop somewhere above the daily confluence. So technically the situation stands so that market stands in strong resistance and ready to show some technical pullback, if of course no fundamental event or some speech will intrude in a normal technical process. On the hourly chart for position taking, you could watch for the pullback here, maybe to the 30%, or even it makes sense to use levels from most recent downward action, slightly lower. It's 2437, 2460, if of course this retracement will happen. So that's actually all that we have on Bitcoin currently. Let's keep watching how deep retracement will be, what patterns will be formed in this week.